Good morning. Welcome to a daily dose of our journey in faith. It's Monday morning and we're going to get started work here. Just kind of wanted to show you around and what we're doing and what we've done. So we're in the back of the church. You can see here. And we're going to go here in the garage. They do have a garage here. They store a lot of their canned goods that help feed the needy here, and so let's go in here and check it out. As many of you know, winter here in Wyoming can be quite blusterous, and so they had some windows that were boarded up and needed replacing. Last week I went to a glass shop and they taught me how to cut glass. So I cut these panes of glass and hopefully they all fit. Last Thursday, before we went to fishing Friday, I installed a couple of them here. You can see them there with the tape on there, and there's 3 more that I'm going to replace today and hopefully get some more done so we can get back upstairs and do the window trim. Follow along here and we'll get started for work today. I'm using some elastic sealant, sticks to almost anything there, and putting that on the frame and then slipping the glass in, and then of course I'm using the latex window glazing to glaze around the windows and to secure them inside the window frame. I hope you enjoy the video, and Maranatha.